David Beerling, The Emerald Planet, How Plants Changed Earth's History. Dive into the enthralling world of plants and their impact on Earth's history with this summary of The Emerald Planet, authored by David Beerling. Discover how the development of leaves changed the course of evolution and helped animals and insects to thrive. Unravel the mysteries behind environmental changes like the Carboniferous period, the crucial role of the ozone layer, and the effects of fluctuating CO2 levels on the ancient world, wrapping up with an insight into how C4 plants could hold the key to a sustainable future.
The evolution of leaves and its impact on life. Plants have evolved to adapt to the changing levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The development of leaves allowed for more efficient photosynthesis, and a decrease in CO2 levels led to larger leaves and abundant plant life. This set off an evolutionary boom of animal and insect species. Plants disrupted the long-term carbon cycle by removing CO2 from the atmosphere, which further fueled the growth of larger leaves and plant life. The evolution of leaves had a profound impact on the world we know today. Gigantic organisms, the secret behind their growth. About 300 million years ago, during the Carboniferous period, lots of huge plants, animals, and insects emerged, and scientists have been debating for years what caused their sudden growth. A compelling theory suggests that the spike in atmospheric pressure resulting from concentrated oxygen levels may have been the reason why all living organisms became larger. Evidence shows that oxygen levels peaked at 35% around this period. Even though it was not oxygen alone that contributed to the supersizing of organisms, it did play a significant role in creating the environment in which they could thrive. The Great Extinction Event. About 250 million years ago, at the end of the Permian period, Earth experienced the largest mass extinction event in history, wiping out 95% of all species. Scientists recently found out that the destruction of the stratospheric ozone layer, caused by 500,000 years' worth of volcanic eruptions, was the culprit. Organohalogens, produced as a result of a chemical reaction caused by the volcanic materials, destroyed the protective ozone layer. The lack of this layer exposed Earth to harmful ultraviolet radiation, leading to the extinction of many species while others experienced rapid genetic mutations. The success of some species like lycopsids, short, green spiky-leaved plants, was attributable to their unusual mutation of sterilization, giving them the ability to reproduce asexually and colonize new ground. The Late-Triassic Extinction. The Late-Triassic Extinction, which happened 200 million years ago, wiped out 20% of marine animal families and 25% of land animal families. While there are various theories on what caused it, the latest research indicates that global warming triggered by the increase in carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere is likely to have been the main cause. The spike in carbon dioxide levels led to reduced numbers of stomata in large-leaved trees, which overheated and died out. The upsurge in carbon dioxide could have been triggered by volcanic eruptions that destabilized methane hydrates, leading to the migration of methane to CO2 and consequently acidifying the oceans, suffocating marine life, and causing land animals to perish. This event provided an opportunity for the surviving animals to thrive, including the rise of dinosaurs. The dominance of deciduous trees. The fossil record has revealed that the North and South Poles were once home to an abundance of plant life. Biologists have long been puzzled by why most trees near the North Pole became deciduous while those growing near the Antarctic remained evergreen. Decades-long beliefs that deciduous trees had a superpower and could become dormant have been debunked through computer simulations showing that shedding leaves in high northern latitudes is a costly strategy. The key message from the fossil record is that deciduous trees became dominant in northern polar forests by growing fast and dying young. The ability of deciduous trees to photosynthesize quickly gave them an edge over evergreens in the Arctic summers, which were much warmer in the ancient world. Additionally, natural forest fires helped deciduous trees repopulate territories quickly while evergreens struggled to keep up. With winters in Alaska warming significantly in the last 30 years, the exponential growth of polar trees and shrubs could exacerbate climate change. Greenhouse gases and the Earth's changing climate. The Earth's climate was once much different than it is today, with the planet experiencing milder temperatures across the poles and tropics. A new study suggests that greenhouse gas levels, not changes in oceanic circulation, were the main cause. The rising levels of CO2 in the atmosphere led to warmer temperatures and a feedback loop that increased other greenhouse gases, ultimately resulting in significant climate change. Plant fossils and Antarctic ice cores offer valuable evidence of this process. As CO2 levels dropped, the Earth began to cool and glaciers formed, culminating in the frigid poles we know today. The advantages of C4 photosynthesis. Plants have different ways of photosynthesizing, and the C4 method is more efficient than the C3 process. This upgrade happened millions of years ago after CO2 levels dipped. C4 plants can survive better because they are more efficient at photosynthesis and produce more acids. One theory suggests that forest fires could have played a role in their evolution. C4-based crops like maize and sugarcane are responsible for driving the global economy. Scientists are exploring how to engineer C3 crops to have the C4 advantage to feed more people sustainably with lesser environmental impacts.
As we have explored, plants and their evolution have played an intricate role in shaping Earth's history. From the development of leaves and the consequential boom of animal and insect species, to pivotal changes in oxygen levels or carbon dioxide levels leading to periods of growth spurts or mass extinctions. The adaptability of plants to various environmental conditions enabled them to flourish in diverse environments and survive cataclysmic events. Furthermore, understanding the unique photosynthetic method of C4 plants offers a glimpse into the ways plants could help in addressing global food shortages in the future. The Emerald Planet invites us to appreciate the remarkable impact plants have had, not only on Earth's past but also on the possibilities it holds for the future.